So we're going to go in and we're going to perform my matrix operations on these two matrices that you see here. So matrix A is a 2 by 3 and matrix B is also a 2 by 3. These are not what I would call square matrices because they're more, the length and the width are not the same size. And I wanted to just take a moment to show you what happens when we multiply them, because not all matrices have to be the same size for us to perform these operations on. So we are going to go back and we're going to say, okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to add matrix A to matrix B. And I'm not going to do the longhand method. I'm just going to simply add their elements together. So 3 plus 2 would be 5. 1 plus a negative 3 is a negative 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. Row 2 would be negative 1 plus a negative 3 or negative 4. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 5 plus a negative 4 is a positive 1. Okay, so that's A plus B. Now, remember, addition is commutative, so the order, if I add A plus B or B plus A, should still give me the same matrix. However, subtraction is not commutative. So what happens when I subtract matrix B from matrix A? I'm still going to end up with a 2 by 3 matrix. In this case, it's going to be 3 minus 2, which is 1. 1 minus a negative 3 gives me a positive 4. 1 minus 6 is a 5. Second row, negative 1 minus a negative 3 gives me a positive 2. 2 minus 1 is a 1, and 5 minus a negative 4 is a positive 9. So there is my A minus B matrix. And finally, let's say 3A plus 2B. Okay, 3A plus 2B. So I am going to multiply matrix A by 3, and I'm going to rewrite it down here. So 3 times 3 would be 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Second row, negative 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. And I am going to add that to 2 times the B matrix. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative 3 is a negative 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times a negative 3 is a negative 6. 2 and negative 8 to finish off that matrix. Now we add the two matrices together. 9 plus 4 would be 13. 3 plus a negative 6 would be negative 3. 3 plus 12 is 15. Second row, negative 3 plus a negative 6 is a negative 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 15 minus 8 would be 7. So here are the matrix operations for A plus B, A minus B, along with our kind of combination scalar multiplication for these two matrices, which are 2 by 3 matrices.